See breeze there. Yeah. What's good, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a wonderful and amazing day wherever you are in the world. My name is Tyrone and this is my cooking channel. Now guys, you see in the description, you see in the title, Mama Ina, she's gonna make an ultimate potato pudding today. You know what I mean? If you want to see that, I suggest that you stick around. Go nowhere. You know what I mean? Watch what go on, you know. You know what I mean? Big up yourself from Jamaica. I am Tyrone and see you in the kitchen. Boom, boom, boom.
Welcome. We're going to make potato pudding. And we have a great Kite.
Alright, do your thing.
Are you first going to start great Kite, you know?
Me. See, Mama have been greater there. Yes, Take your time, Mama. Take your time. I'm going to help you grate it still, because but the potato soft, man. See the people?
I greater.
I greater sharp. Classic, you know. Great Mama Ina this in the people. Mama, big up the people, them for me. Say big up.
Big up.
You know, sell. Alright.
Your people, Anna. Kevin Carter. Luis son combat, je vais en enseignement.
Alright guys, so here what? Mama and them tired, so I get a grater fight. Is it? Yes sir. Ease out. For those who don't want to grater, you can always blend it.
Blend.
Yeah.
No. I don't know.
Piece of what? When I reach there, sir. Alright. Alright. Come on, that's good. Back to it.
I'm going to put in the ingredients now. Flour.
Do your thing. So this is baking flour that Mama using, guys. Original baking flour.
I put baking powder in it now. You say baking flour and a baking flour. No, I know why in there. Because salt. And see sugar.
Go on.
Caramel. I put sugar.
Alright, Mama, what did you put in there? Alright, so guys, Mama, tell us what this is. This is a cinnamon water. So you boil the cinnamon leaf and the cinnamon stick and you get the flavor from it and then you add it to the pudding mixture. right? So this is how you do it. And remember your unsalted butter, guys. That is a must. That's why, guys, that's why mama is so strong, you know, cause I didn't look us up me and make mama strong, you know. Work out this, you know. Your mama, yeah, laugh. I work out this, you know, people. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, I really work out that smell, man. Flavor and everything, right, people.
It's a coconut in there.
You get piece of coconut with a grater. Alright guys, so the type of baking that we're gonna do, guys, is a primitive style of baking. Ella fire, Ella top, and hallelujah in the middle. So what we have to do, we have to what you call it, coil the banana leaf. So mama show me the little technique here. So what you have to do is make the banana leaf coil. Come closer and look. Right, so you can see the difference in color of the banana leaf changing. So it's similar method they use to make the tire leaf, right? So make the leaf coil, see there? Whoop, whoop. Make it coil nice. Yes, man, we're gonna put it in the bottom of the pot, at the base of the pot. All right, soon come.
You agree?
Alright, mama, talk to you. What you say I do, you know?
Greasy pot.
Yeah, greasy pot.
Yes.
So guys, this is called the pudding pan. Original pudding pan. So mama, you have to go cut this up, you know. So you can't put that big chunk there, you know. I'm gonna hold it for you. Take your time, man. Don't rush, mama. Take your time. Alright. So this is a primitive style, guys. Help out, mama. Help out the great mama. In the pot is hot, you know. See them, my friend. Alright. So you make a little X with it. You say you put piece money. Okay, piece more. Alright. So guys, we are going for the pudding mixture, the pudding batter, and come, alright? Don't go nowhere. Go on.
I put it.
Yes, mama, you drop it in. Smell good. So people, this is mama Ina pudding mixture. The one you got fully bad. Primitive style of baking, people. Can't leave none in there, no. Type in the comment section if you used to take the butter and eat it. Let me know if you used to eat it. Hey guys, talk. Mama, you sure if it's good? You sure?
Yes.
Level it, no, mama? Watch him, mama, that easy, you know? Mama, you like how level it? Go on level him, man. Mama, level him down.
Leighton.
Yeah, man. Alright, people. So, now, alright guys, so here one now, people. May I help out mama, you know, I don't know a thing. So you put on the pudding on the fire now. So look on the heat we are on the fire. So this is called the original oven, right? So you make this stir right just as in, and then get a metal thing, well wash off and everything, you know. You know what I mean? So this is gonna rest on the top. like this. You know what I mean? Like it look like rain not go fall still, love me. Nah lie. I put me in a rain. So I teleport the great mama in here, you see me so? Watch it. So we have to set it even, you know, people. We have to make sure this even. Alright. So we have to make up the fire underneath it, right? This I figure burn, and then I put some on the top. But let me show you what I go on. So basically make an extra fire on the top. So you call this hell bottom hell top. Hallelujah in the middle. Know what I mean? So far, man, I'll show you what I go and see, but they say it there now. See it there? Make sure you level down. So stay tuned. Watch what I go and my people. Soon come. Alright guys, see, mama have a pudding on the fire here. See the people. Take a look on it. See the oil come up on the top there. You know what I mean? Cause you don't want it burning. So show you what I go on here. I'm gonna put down this and come. I'll show you what I go on, my friend. Alright guys, I say see what I go on over here, so I need some more fire. See there? Not fully dry out yet, so I'm gonna add some more green banana leaf and this for mama, and then come back, alright? But the oil, that little, do they call that thing? I know what I call it. That little custard they form on the top, see there? So we soon come still. You know what I mean? Soon forward. Don't go nowhere now.
Alright guys, welcome back again. I just put this little clip in the video to show you what's happening, right? About the kite making. While recording the video, the audio was really bad, and so I had to do a voiceover for you. But all I need are bamboos. Yeah, just for now. So what I'm doing now, guys, trying to shave off the bamboo, get it down to the place where I want it to be. You don't want your bamboo to be too thick, or you don't want it to be too thin. So the consistency is a must right here. So I'm just outside chilling, me and Alkali by the boom boom, holding a reason and thing and talking, you understand? But in Jamaica, you don't know, so kite time is a must, people. When it comes on to the Easter period, kite time is a must. So you understand? If you're not flying a kite in a Easter, it coming like an Easter in Jamaica, you understand? And from I was a boy, kite was a thing. So get the bamboos measured, make sure they're even. Alright, so look at what I'm doing. I'm trying to just shave down the little joint part of the bamboo, because it can be an obstruction, right? And get the thread, and the thread that you're using, it must be something that's not too slippery, and it must be sturdy. So you kind of tie it in the middle, then form a little X. I don't know if we make kite still, but those who know if we make kite, type in the comment section, make me know if you don't know if we make a kite, or if you ever make a kite, or which kite is your favorite kite to make. Make me know, yeah? Yeah, man. So I'm here to teach boom boom how to make kite now, people. Yeah, man. I'm here to teach boom boom how to make kite, because boom boom can't make kite like me, no, man. Yeah, I mean, so you get it together, you wrap it up, make sure it's wrapped really tightly, yeah, and get it as it is. So just watch what I go on still, you know what I mean? Take in what I go on, my people, and we're gonna send kite later, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, just take in what I go on. So forward.
We're all going live, still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
Alright guys, so remember me the promise, sir. We're gonna send Kite. I mean, so the Kite here. So we're gonna send it still. Breeze, are you still there? I know what kind of kite they used to send back in the day, but I know that me's a child at heart, so.
Big kid. I'm a son, you know. Like a boy.
We have to wait for it. 30, you want to hold the kite? You know, hold it.
My friend, hold the kite now. You know, hold it.
So we'll get some.
Take your finger time out.
We'll wait till we get some breeze. And then we'll get it up in the air. Breeze out is still in the butt. That's a while. We spot me live breeze there.
It's right off the ocean. No problemo. So So my son is out here flying a kite. See breeze there, yeah. Let it go now. So, you finally get the cat. Yeah, go on! Yeah, come go back a bit. Yeah.
And just when we were giving up, guys, this happened.
Hey, that confused me now.
guys, so mama, I gotta take off the thing, yeah? Yeah, man. See the pudding there, guys. See the little wet there. On the top. Wet on the top, mama. Woo! Yeah, follow the pudding, you know, me. I follow the crowd, people. I follow the crowd, see it there, guys. Take piece, take piece, take piece. See the little custard there on the top, look there. Wet. Taste it, mama. Bake it, huh? Bake it, huh? Jesus. Bake, man. Eat them, my people. Yeah, man. Ready, my friend. Raisin and everything. See the little wet there on the top. Little custard looking. Jesus. All who not get potato pudding, go and go all fresh. Go all fresh, go all fresh. Alka, come look here. Come look here, Alka. Go look here, go look here. Go look here, go put on boy.
What?
Put on boy.
I'm trying to tell you, boy.
Look on it, wet on it top, boy.
I tell you, boy, I tell you, granny, you go on, you put your foot in another one, your granny.
Yeah, put in there.
I tell you, boy, you know.
Ready, man. You have to wait till it cool first, man.
No more mines now.
You have to cool, man. Cool again. Mash up your boy. You have to cool. Wait, mama. Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen.
See it, guys.
Take 14. Cutting the pudding. Alright? Quiet on the set. Take. Action.
Guys, see it, yeah? Mama peel off a banana leaf.
Yes.
So we're taking off the banana leaf, my people. Yeah, man, a real primitive style or Jamaican style is.
Wow.
Like them part there. See it there? See it there, guys? Woo!
With that.
See there, mama? Take off the next banana leaf there.
Nina, you do that, Nina.
And it not burn up, you know?
You look nice, Nina. Why, Nina, how much you still eat for? Nina, we don't take this right now, go foreign.
Yeah, mama. So, mama, just bust one little piece over there, so. And make you see what oil and make it look. Mama, we are putting you under pressure. Mama, you are a celebrity,
Nina,
the people. With the guys. With the guys. I'm sure we walk on. Oh my word. Oh my word. See it there? See it there, guys? Look there.
Good.
Juicy. Juicy and nice. Juicy and nice, people. Oh God, that one here fully bad. We saw some bit and make you know it taste, yeah? Soon forward, my people. Soon forward. Mama, you did this? You did this, mama? You are going to send pudding to foreign? We are sending pudding again.
The people over there.
The people over there? Alright, we're so forward.
Alright guys, so here I reach home back off of the road and everything. But you see the pudding thing of people in Jamaica, you cannot eat it while it's hot. You have to wait until it's cool. So mama did cut a little piece away. So I reach in. So I wanted to show you guys. Yeah man, take a look at that. Inside it is moist and juicy. So I got sample it and make it know. Because I'm telling you, so I got sample it. So this is a banger. People, this is the time when pudding nice. Well, all you need with this pudding, guys, is a cup of coffee tea or a cup of Milo tea or a cup of hot chocolate tea in the morning. I'm happy. Try it. I'm gonna know see how the thing tastes good. The thing tastes nice. The thing tastes proper. I understand. Take one more look on it. When I take everybody get piece of the pudding, because mama done share good food already, you know. Yeah, man. It's nice, people. It's nice, it's really nice. So here what, guys. I'm gonna put the ingredients in the description box. The recipe, easy recipe. You don't need to overspice your pudding. Overspicing is gonna kind of chew it out. So keep it balanced using these simple ingredients. Really delicious. And I hope that you guys enjoy the kite flying segment. Big up on yourself from Jamaica all the time. I'm Tyrone and I see you guys in the next video, and I'm out. Bye bye.